I think that bowling it's fun, right? I think that's one of the biggest things is that bowling is such an enjoyable sport. You can do it at most levels, like skill levels. You don't have to be a monster bowler that can like throw a wicked curve or anything like that. You can just be a straight bowler and just go straight at the pins, and you can be really, really successful. We had a first year competitive bowler as a senior who just threw a straight ball and ended up hitting over 200 pins, and his average was roughly like 180. So that's huge. It was really good for him to come out, and one of the things that he said is, you know, Coach, I wish I had been doing this years before. This was a really interesting season, number of reasons. We switched areas, so it was much more competitive. That was one of the best things, is like having like kids with schools and other kids that they're right at the same level as, which was very, very helpful. But I think one of the biggest things for this season was, first of all, it was the boys' first win, and that led to, you know, the first ever boys team going to regionals. The girls had made it a couple of years ago, but this was the first time that the boys were able to go down, and it was great. The camaraderie built in bowling is as strong as you would on any team. Even though it's a very individual sport, we're always rooting each other on. We're always giving, you know, fist bumps or high fives or clapping or whatever. The support is there to push each other to be better, and I think that's also one of the really big parts about bowling, is that it's just such a community that gets built within the team, that it lasts not only in the alley but it also in the halls here. So that's a really good aspect of it too.